welcome back my YouTube channel. Oke, jadi di video kali ini aku bikin video tutorial makeup sesuai dengan judulnya. Kalian bisa lihat sendiri judulnya apa. Jadi aku mau bikin look yang seperti ini. Hasilnya bagus nggak? Jadi ini kan mau hari Kartini ya, jadi aku mau buat tutorial buat referensi kalian yang mau ngerayain hari Kartini. Pastinya harus make up juga dong. Jadi make upnya seperti ini, super gampang banget dan mudah untuk ditiru ya buat kalian. Dan jangan lupa tonton video aku sampai habis ya. Oke, jadi yang belum subscribe aku bisa langsung subscribe sekarang. Pokoknya jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe bagi yang belum subscribe aku.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Oke, terima kasih banyak buat kalian yang udah ngikutin video aku sampai habis. Dan jangan lupa tonton video aku selanjutnya. Dadah!